Welcome. Today, I'm excited to walk you through Adobe Mix Modeler, a powerful tool built on Adobe Experience Platform. This solution is designed to help you optimize your marketing strategies with AI-powered insights, offering speed, precision, and adaptability in the ways that you have never seen before. A typical workflow in Adobe Mix Modeler consists of the following activities. First, ingest data. Ingest events data from Adobe Experience Platform, for example, Adobe Analytics, Web SDK, and other sources. Aggregate data from marketing channels, for example, TV, walled gardens, email, owned and operated activities. External factors data from customers, for example, price change in subscription services. And internal factors data, for example, holiday plans. The second step is to harmonize data. So configure marketing rules and conflict resolutions, rules to merge the various marketing datasets needed to measure and plan campaign performance in Mix Modeler. Third, configure models. Configure model instances with marketing touchpoints, for example, channels, conversions, definitions, and internal and external factors. Train and score your models. Create aggregated and event-level scores using machine learning training and scoring. Fourth is create plans. Determine the best allocation of marketing funds to achieve a business objectives by using the output of Adobe Mix Modeler's models. All of this data will appear on a dashboard. So Overview Dashboard is a place to get insights on harmonized data, models, and plans using various configurable visualizations. We will go through all these steps in this demo, so let's kick it off. Adobe Mix Modeler works seamlessly with Adobe Experience Platform, meaning data ingestion happens in the same familiar way. You can leverage the same source connectors and schemas used in other Adobe Experience applications like Customer Journey Analytics, so there's no need for you to learn new processes. Now, what's unique about Mix Modeler is its harmonization service. Once your data is ingested into Adobe Mix Modeler, harmonizes it by connected both aggregate and event level data, and it's unified into a consistent data view. This steps ensures that the data fields across all your marketing channels are aligned and connected. So if you have one field called spend, and if you have one field called maybe cost, for example, then this would be harmonized into one single field. We use the highest granularity available, whether it's a daily, weekly, or monthly, and to give you this most detailed insights as much as possible. And this step is crucial for creating normalized and reliable measurement and planning, especially when you are dealing with diverse data sets coming from multiple sources, multiple campaigns. So here you can see that this is an overview dashboard in Mix Modeler. Allows you to overview your harmonized data and your plans through various configurable visualizations. So you can see that you can filter by dates, so you can have from till to the dates, and you can see this pencil icon, and you'll be able to customize this dashboard based on what your requirements are. So you can change these KPIs. So if I change from clicks to revenue, I should be able to do that, and instantly I'll get my data back. Again, similar viewpoint, you can change channels. But the beauty about this is you can build, first of all, different types of visualizations. On your left-hand side, you have different filters. So you can filter it by brands. So imagine that you have multiple brands or multiple campaigns or even multiple channels. This allows you to filter this dashboard based on a selected criteria. So first of all, you start with data ingestion, and I'm not going to go through data ingestion piece because it is part of Adobe Experience Platform. So data is ingested, but once the data is ingested from different various sources, harmonization data process allows you to harmonize all this data into a single format, and that's why it's called normalized. and then you'll be able to then apply and visualize this data through this dashboard. Because Mix Modeler is built on top of Adobe Experience Platform, you also get robust privacy, governance, and compliance features baked in. Role-based and field-based access control ensures that sensitive data is well protected and you maintain full compliance with your organizational standards. In this harmonization process, you start by defining harmonized fields, which represents conceptually similar data from different data sources. Adobe provides predefined options, but you can easily create your own if needed. Next, we set up dataset rules to map these harmonized fields to fields from the datasets ingested into Mix Modeler. This makes it effortless to connect and organize data from different various sources and ensures that all information is aligned and normalized and ready for data modeling. Now, you'll see that on this dataset here, that you have all your data sets which you are using for Adobe Mix for building your models. And I can choose, for example, revenue data and look into the revenue data. And you'll see in the view that, first of all, you have dataset details, the time, the granularity of the data, is it whether it's a daily, weekly, or monthly, and the aggregation, and how is this being mapped against. So once you have this process, you can then start going through a next step. The next step is to set up marketing touchpoints. Now let's talk about marketing touchpoints here. The key events we use to evaluate the impact of your marketing investments. Whether it's a display impression, online orders, or even call center engagements, you can track the performance of all your touchpoints in one place. This helps you to assess both numeric and revenue-based conversions. At this point, we also have set up conversions already for you. So the event that represents your business goals. Last but not least, you define the conversion events. Conversion events are business objectives that defines the impact of marketing activities. You can create a model for each of the conversion events you define here and wish to track, which I'm going to show you as the next step. Once the data is harmonized and your touchpoints and conversions are set, you can move into model creations. Here is a step-by-step guide for creating a model in Adobe Mix Modeler, designed to help you navigate process efficiently. Firstly, we access the model canvas. So start by opening the Adobe Mix Modeler interface, navigate to the model section, and click on Create New Model to open the model canvas. Name your model and add a description. In Model Canvas, give your model a clear and descriptive name. Optionally, provide description that outlines the model's purpose, objectives, or any specific details. Third step is set up your canvas. Next step is set up your conversion goal. Define your conversion goal, which represents the key metrics you want to optimize for. Common goals include metrics like orders, revenue, or other business KPIs. Then, select marketing touchpoints. Choose the marketing touchpoints you want to include in the model. They are the key marketing activities or events you are measuring, such as display impression, search clicks, social media engagement, and so forth. Ensure that you select the touchpoints relevant to model's objectives. Next, configure data filters. Set up any filters for your data to ensure the model uses the most relevant information. You can filter based on timeframes, regions, audience segments, or other custom criteria. Next, consider external and internal factors.